Hey everybody, today we are providing you with a very clear overview of Alamo Rent a Car's cancellation policy, how cancellations work, when you will be getting a refund and possible fees based on the reservation type. So to just dive right into the video and get started. So usually we can just head over and usually normally start up a reservation. We can look out for this reservation section and start up a reservation and click on go by choosing up your location, pick up date, time, return date, driver's age, etc. Now, if you want to go ahead and, look out for cancellation policy, usually we can find a section called view, modify, and cancel. We can select it and we can look out for cancel option if you really want to cancel a reservation. So you can look out for a current rental that you may have or an upcoming rental, provide in the necessary details to look out for it, and then you can go on with the process of basically canceling it. And these are some of the cancellation policy. The Alamo has usually two main reservations type, which is pay later or standard reservation, and another is prepaid reservation. Pay later is you don't prepay the rental when booking, you pay at pickup, and we have prepaid, which is you pay upfront when booking, often a discount. So if you're looking for cancellation, we have fee cancellation. You can cancel up to for fee up to 24 hours before your scheduled pickup time, and you can do so. We also have cancellation fees if you cancel within 24 hours of pickup or you are on no show. A cancellation fee of around $50 is typically charged for pay later bookings. And you can just go and check it out. We have guaranteed reservations, pay now reservation cancellation fee, accelerated check-in, etc. So you can directly go to Alamo's website and look out for your reservation using your number in anything. After that, you can just go over and cancel online. You can do so via online website, application, or phone, or even call them directly, and that should also do it. But usually, those are some of the cancellation policy. You can directly check it out on their website. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.